Hello friends, in this video I will share about Inkscape. We are going to create a 3D blend text effect in Inkscape. This design includes typographic art. Actually, I want to make a 3D blend with editable text, and it can't. Maybe friends here, someone can, just say it in the comments column below. Okay, let's just open Inkscape. Usually click new document. Okay, here I create rectangle object and give a blue color and then resize 50 50 pixels for width and height, and then object transform skew and give a -12. Click apply. Here I create a text ls with Montserrat. Click heavy, and here I give red color like this with code. Here I copy and paste the red code. Check photo pad, ungroup, union. Okay, next click pad effect, click plus, and then here I type perspective, enable snapping, and drag until cuts nodes, and you can create perspective text like this. Okay, and close the pad effect window, and then click pad, object to pad, duplicate, I'm sorry, yes, and copy and paste, color code, duplicate, and paste the navy color. Okay, place to behind and press arrow button, select this text and click extension, generate from pad, interpolate. For interpolation steps, you fill the number 100 and click left preview and wait and click apply. Okay, you can delete this object, delete. Okay, next we create rectangle again like this. For and resize, we fill the number 300 and 300. Okay, create front, resize, align and distribute, center. Here I type landscape, sorry. Okay, with Montserrat font and bold, and for font size we fill the number 9. Okay, you can drag like this. Yeah, okay, give a white color, and here I duplicate this text, I mean landscape text, Control D and change. We fill the number Desainew.com. For font Roboto and normal. For font size we fill the number 3.5, and you can use align and distribute, and you can drag manually like this. Okay, drag again. Okay, yeah, Yes. Up to this step, we have created a 3D blend text effect in Inkscape. I hope you can follow well. I think that's enough for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.